Looking for the best Pallet Buster? In this video we will look at some of the top 3 Pallet Buster on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check out, to see which is in your budget range. At number 3. Vestil, Deluxe Steel Pallet Buster. Can be used on decks and docks. Durable build with a handle for comfort. Allows you to break apart pallets in under 5 minutes. An easy-to-use tool for quickly disassembling pallets without busting up the planks. Some complaints of it not working as promised, and that it is a bit heavy. At number 2. Vergo, Pallet Buster. Articulating head helps to apply gentle but firm pressure on pallet wood to prevent breakage when possible. Included handle is comfortable while providing leverage. A good tool for removing dock boards. Made in the USA. The best industrial pallet buster designed to preserve the wood as much as possible. Buster jaws can be difficult to fit correctly between the pallet slats. At number 1. FORRESTER Manufacturing Company Duckbill Deck Wrecker. Large lifting head can tackle most pallet plank widths without cracking or breaking the wood. Steel construction and welded handle for durability. Easily busts apart decks, docks, and other disassembly projects. One of the better pallet busters suitable for multiple projects. Rare reports of the ball bearing coming apart with heavy use. To buy or check price, click link in description. Please like and subscribe our channel for more products reviews.